Yo, hello, welcome. Thank you for watching. How's everyone doing? Good. Fantastic. It's early, better known as Jay. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for watching. How's everyone doing? Good. Fantastic. Before we start today, um, let's do this. Okay. So we'll start with this one on the right. This is the C++ coding program language. Do something entry level, beginner. Okay. So as you can see, I'll expand right here. This highlighted um, is where the code is supposed to display when we click run. But as you can see, it does not work. It says error. I don't know why. If you're if you're a viewer and you know how to code and you can help, please comment in the chat. Let me know what I can do to fix that. Alright, thank you. So this code is simple. This is a simple code. This is a downside include idle stream, use a namespace standard int name. Alright. Then the whatever the fuck that is called is the variable. The variable is int number semicolon. Alright. And see out insertion operator quote enter number semicolon. Alright. And so the user can interact and put a number. We do C in insertion operator number semicolon. Alright. But again, it works. It's supposed to, but it doesn't because there's an error. And I'll show you how this works. Look, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it over here. Alright, so that's the same exact one we just did. I'm gonna run it, and as you can see, it works. So it works. This is a legit code, but it doesn't work for some reason. It keeps giving an error. Again, if you know, comment in chat. Let me know how to fix that. Please, I need help. Alright, moving on. We're now going to do that same exact one, but um, Java. We're gonna do it in Java, the Java code programming language. So to do that, we do import java.util.scanner semicolon public class practice brace public static void main parentheses string box brace args parentheses brace enter. Then we do the variable, which is int number semicolon. Oh no, you know what? That's wrong. We're supposed to do something like this. One second, I gotta look for it. Yeah, we gotta do scanner. We have to do this right here. Scanner input. You so with this right here, quickly, I'll explain. It doesn't have to be that every time. The textbook will actually say scanner keyboard. So Um, Sometimes you'll see like scanner keyboard, and then right here it'll say like int number equals keyboard dot int. But this time I used input. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, so yeah, we do scanner input equals do scanner parentheses system dot in parentheses semicolon. And that's so the code can work. This right here, uh, we'll go all the way through and then I'll explain to y'all what we just did. Um, it's now we just do the variable int number semicolon system dot out dot print parentheses quote enter a number that so the user knows what to do. Uh, that's a statement. That's called print statement. It's just so the user knows what's going on. Uh, it's for the reader. When the reader reads, it reads enter a number. Now so the user can interact. We do um, int number equals input dot next um, capital in parentheses semicolon parentheses semicolon. And I think that's it. I think that's it. Let's see. No. Ooh, what's wrong? Yo, what's going on here? What's wrong? What I do? What I do? Oh my God. Oh, I know what. I know what it is. There you go. Yep. Yeah. Um, why was that wrong? I'll explain to y'all. It's because sometimes uh we do more than one. So as you can see, this one is just number, and then this one is number one. Again, that's because we have more than one. So we have to like change it a little bit. That's all. But yeah. Anyway, what we just did, we did import Java, and then we did scanner, um, and that's so the code can work. If we don't do that, the code does not work. It will, but it'll be like just enter a number. That's it. That's all. It'll just say enter a number. Um, but and that would work theoretically. Like that would work. That would be like 50%. But if you want 100%, because the objective is so that the reader gets to read, enter a number, and then so the user can interact and type a number, we do the scanner. Boom, enter a number. We'll go with number four, and boom, enter a number. That's a fun one. I like that one. That was a little fun activity. We call that one an exercise. That one's good because that's like fundamentals. Yo, Aber 6, welcome. 123, hello. 001, hello. Yo, what up? None. Vibe then. The fuck? Yo, 7588, welcome. Thank you for watching. 7588, bro, that's some complex work. It is. It is. That right there would be like halfway through the semester of learning how to code. That little ass code we just did, that's about the entire semester. That's like literally the that that's that's literally the entire semester, the full thing. It's funny because that's this right here is literally the fucking the that takes literally the entire school year to learn. But it's a fun activity. It's a good exercise. Uh, it's important to know. Uh, but that's nothing, chat. That's literally nothing. I have something right here. I'll show you. Uh, let's do my most recent one. This is what we did in school recently. What is it? I don't fucking know. Actually, I don't know. What I'm thinking of doing is I think what I'm gonna do in a little, not right now, but I think I'm going to use this book and I'm going to review and practice. I think it's in my best interest. Uh, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. So I'm gonna use this book and probably go one by one, starting from the beginning, and just I'm gonna do multiple things. So this is a big book. This is a big book, and it's got a lot of pages, and I don't know. I'll probably go page for page, code for code, uh, line by line, and just kind of just redo every. I don't know. I'll do something. I'll figure it out. I want to like what's it called? I want to do that, but I also want to just um I need to learn the terms. I think learning the terms, or not the terms, but the words, right? Something like that. Words, terms, something like that, right? I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. But because I've been on social media, let's see if I can look it up. Let's see if I can find something. Uh, the note template. Word, word, no, word, learning. I don't know, but I wanna have some fun. I've seen something on social media, and I was like, oh, that's probably a good idea. Basically, what it is like, I was like, okay, I was on social media, right? And it's something like, it's kind of like this actually, in a way, not exactly, but see if I can close up on it. It's kind of like this, where it's got like the code, the words, the definition, an example or whatever. It's got sections. It's got the code. It explains the code. It's got the words. It's got the definitions for the words. It's got the examples and stuff like that. Stuff like that, basically. What was that? Yo, thank you for follower. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Oh, we're live on the little screen. We're live on the little screen. Um, yeah, we're live on the little screen. We're on the laptop. We're on the laptop. Kind of like this in a little, kind of yeah, kind of like this. Question, vocabulary, summary, and then the notes. Um, Not exactly, but something like that in a way. I want to do something like that. We've been school's over. We've been in summer break for about 2.5 weeks, going into three. Uh, so anyway, I'm gonna play some video games. Oh, yo, chat. We have some exciting stuff coming from this. Um, See if we can find it. So, alright, if you've been watching for some time, then you know. It's been about 6 months since we've played BO7. Yeah, time goes by fast. So, um, yeah, it's been about like six months. We last played season one Reloaded. If you're wondering what is that and what does that mean, um, Call of Duty has a system where they just introduced. They'll go like season one, boom, and they'll give you like 50%, and then they'll update the game again, and it'll be called Reloaded. Um, so then that would be like 100% update. So they do like two updates basically. One is 50%, and then the second one 100%. So they recently just updated the game season four, and then in about like three, almost 4 weeks, they will um give us this right here basically. Trying to find it so y'all can see. But yeah, we haven't played since season one. Remember we was trying to get the sniper. We was like, yo, there's this sniper coming, and it never came. So maybe it's in the game now, maybe it's not. I don't know. We're about to play it, try to find out, pick up where we left off, have some fun. I really want to play zombies. I like zombies. Reason why is because we do Easter eggs. Um, really big on Easter eggs over here. I like the idea and the challenge, and we're up for it. Call of Duty is like one of the only games that has Easter eggs. Um, so yeah, we're gonna try. Oh, and this is the new season four update. I'll give you a quick um, summary. So, Call of Duty Warzone, and by the way, fun fact: I don't play Warzone. I don't understand Warzone. I know, and I know, like I played almost every Call of Duty too, but Warzone, no, I haven't. I don't play Warzone. The only battle royale I play is Fortnite. That's the only battle royale I play. Um, okay. Anyway, I don't understand Warzone. Warzone's too complicated. I don't get it. It's just like it's not for me. I never played. I don't know. I don't know. I know nothing about Warzone. I'm not. I'm not. I play multiplayer and zombies. That's it. That's it. All right. Anyway, um, Call of Duty Warzone and Black Ops 7 Season 4 content drop. Everything you need to know. That was June 4th, 3 days ago. Um, Season 4 has it all, and then some blah blah blah. It's got some multiplayer updates, some zombie updates, some modes, some events, some rewards, and more. This is the trailer. If you want to watch, you can. We watched it already. These are some new guns. They got new guns. Again, so um, the update just updated. They're not gonna give us everything right away. They're gonna go like week by week. So like 1 week they give us one thing, the next week they give us another one, and they just go, you know, like that. And then some maps retroed from BO2. This is one of those maps that retroed from BO2, the Vertigo. Really good trick shot map. I always wanted to hit a trick shot on that map. Oh, some Black Ops 1, some BO1 maps. This is from the original BO1. I like BO1. BO1 is actually my first uh, I think the first. Nah, actually I don't know. No, 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 no. That's not. Never mind. But yeah, BO1 is a good one. It's fun. And then when they do the next update, which is the reload, when they do update, so season 4 is season 4, and then they do season 4 reloaded. That will be the 100% complete update. With this is where they complete the update. It's apparently a zombies map. That's all. Just a zombies map, some guns, stuff like that. Yeah, yo, we haven't played since season 1. A lot has happened, chat. A lot has happened since then. Anyway, I'll play like one or two, and that's it. We're using the classic Xbox controller. We're using the Xbox classic controller. But yeah, so last time we played, previously on the episode of playing Call of Duty, the we was trying to get the sniper, and they never added it. And then they said, "Oh, we updated the game. We added." I remember because I was like, I literally remember this. I remember too because this is what happened. The game came out. We started playing, and then they were like, "Oh, there's this really good sniper that's gonna come out, and it's gonna be super good. Expect it sometime soon." I'm like, "All right, cool. I'll keep playing. Maybe, hopefully, one day they'll add the sniper." They never added it. Um, but yeah, I remember this is what happened. So again, we were playing the game. Um, they were like, "Oh, we're gonna add a sniper," and I was playing all the time, hoping for the game to add the sniper. And then that time came, and I load up, right? And I'm at school too. I'm at school. This was at the library. I remember it clearly. I went to school. I brought my laptop, my computer. Brought my computer. So I go to school. I bring my computer. I'm at the library. I think I'm studying for a code quiz, and I'm just right there, right there. And I'm like watching the game update, and one of my classmates comes, and they're like, "Oh, what are you doing?" Blah blah blah. I'm like, "Oh, I'm just studying for the quiz." And I opened the laptop. I opened the laptop, and you can see the game updating. And I was there for about an hour, and the game was on fucking like 4%. I'm just like, what the fuck, yo? It never updated. I get home from school, open the fucking thing, get on the game. Come to find out, they never added the fucking sniper. They never added the sniper chat. They never added the fucking sniper. I remember clearly too. I'm like, yo, I'm at school trying to update the fucking thing. I come home, I update the fucking thing. I get on the fucking game. They never updated it. They never added the sniper. So here we are now, 6 months later, trying again. On this episode of, no, previously on an episode of, previously on an episode of, oh, but as you can see, they got, they're already teasing the new Call of Duty. They're already teasing the new Call of Duty. It's not official, but they are teasing. It's a tease. That's all. All right, what's going on? All right, so point is, we're gonna try to play, have some fun. We're gonna pick up where we left off, and that's trying to get the fucking sniper. We're gonna try to get that sniper. If it's in the game, I don't know if it's in the game, but they were supposed to add. Yes, it is. It's right there. Oh, and they added another one. There's two. What? Yo, 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 chat is right there. Oh, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. That's funny as fuck. All right, whatever. Oh, and they added classic. Okay, so quickly, fuck. All right, before we continue, Yo 2 remastered. Yeah, exactly. They remastered BO2. Um, in a way, not exactly. So, um, they updated the game and they added classic Black Ops. So it's just it's BO2. They added BO2. Um, there's no sliding, there's no wall running, no wall jumping, no omni movement. It's a classic boots on the ground Black Ops multiplayer experience with simplified movement and streamlined loadouts and iconic throwback maps and core modes. It's literally just regular Call of Duty.